Yeah, tell me yourself, Kamini.
So my name is Kamini and I am basically from Bhopal.
Mm-hmm.
I have completed my BA in 2012
Mm-hmm.
from Rajiv Gandhi Institute, and after that I have completed my MBA from HR and Finance.
Mm-hmm.
And after that I have do so many jobs, but not in a technical field.
Okay.
A non-technical field, just like as an BDM or as an QA, also as a quality analyst in BPO, also taken some calls in my career starting. And I am a married person and I have 1 year child.
Mm-hmm.
And my husband is working in Daman, Gujarat, and he's a mechanical engineer. That's it.
Okay. So I think you are done your job in 2021, right?
Yes.
So what is the reason behind it? Why you are left your
Because of
job?
my marriage.
Okay, do the marriage constraints. Okay. Okay. Functional, non-functional testing. Give me examples of non-functional testing.
So just like hardware compatibility testing is there and non-functional, we have to just compare that our software is working on hardware or not with our software or with our client software also, with our client hardware or environment also.
Okay. So why you're choosing your career into testing and the reason behind it?
So because I want to work from home.
Okay, that is the main reason that we are going
Because
for it.
I have a 1 year child and I just take care of him also and doing work also.
Okay. So how good on your manual concepts? Upon 10, how can you rate yourself?
Just 5, sir.
5. Good. Upon 10, 5, right?
Yes.
Can you rate it defect diagram, defect life cycle diagram?
Defect life cycle.
No, that's for SDLC, right? I want defect life cycle.
Just when we are getting defect.
Yes, when you raise a defect, right, there should be different stages. That defect will go into different stages. I just want to know what are the different stages that defect will go whenever we do the defect life cycle.
So what's the process to get to resolve the defect?
No. You raise a defect, right, to the developer.
Yes.
There should be status. When you assign a defect to developer, there should be status.
Yes.
What
So
status that we are going to
for the meeting?
No. When you raise a defect, there should be status that we are going to assign the defect to developer. Whenever developer gives the code fix for the defect, again he's going to change the defect status. Like that, we have different status in defect life cycle. That is most important generic question and important questions in interview point of view. That's why I just want to know whether you know any defect life cycle.
I have just know the life cycle. That means that first tester would get the defect, and after that he will conduct a meeting with all the stack team members, and first he check in his environment that the defect is correct or not, or whether it's due to connectivity issue or due to hardware issue. It can be possible, but after that if it defect is still there, then it will go for go for a stakeholder and to tell him a conduct a meeting that defect is coming.
No, we never conduct meeting with developers when we have a defect. The private task we have to raise the defect to the developer. Okay, no problem. Tell me your flow, what you know it.
Yes. And after that, then in that meeting, we have to just tell him that this is the defect which we are occurring. Then developer work on it, and again he will send for the testing.
Yes. Yeah, they are sending this defect for us, right? Or we are sending the defect to developer, right?
Yes.
There is good status that where we could send it out. Do you know those status?
No, sir.
No. Okay, no problem. Keep a note that you need to keep that defect life cycle most important entry point of view. Okay, what is the difference between an STLC and SDLC?
SDLC and STLC. STLC is totally depend on testing, and SDLC is a whole with a develop from the requirement to the management phase. It cover all the points.
Good. So, is testing team involved SDLC? What are different phases in SDLC phases?
So SDLC having just first we have going for the requirements. But just like that our PO will first that's the kickoff meeting where PO will be chosen, and after that he will take a one member just like a stakeholder, just like
business analyst.
Business analyst, and then he will go for a team where that's developers, testers are there.
Okay, then testing team will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
SDLC is testing has to be there.
Yes.
And how good on your automation concepts?
So I rated 10 out of 6.
Out of 6, no problem. Could you please write what are the things that we have in core Java? What are the topics we have in core Java?
Core Java.
Core Java topics.
Inheritance,
Mm-hmm.
polymorphism,
Mm-hmm.
abstraction,
Mm-hmm. Abstraction
and
interface.
interface.
Okay. What is the difference between an interface and a class?
So interface is a set of classes where we have to put the classes in. Just like if we are taking one example of set is an interface. Interface where we have to put methods. It's a set of constructors or methods.
Can interface contain constructors?
Yes, sir.
What about a class?
Class also contains constructor.
What about a constructor? What is the rule of a constructor?
Constructor takes where the methods in abstract class is there.
No, no. What is a constructor? Tell me constructor.
Constructor is a thing where we have to put methods
Can you write a syntax for array list?
for array list. A dot add
No, no. That is a method. I want
Yes.
to initialize the array list. How to write array list? Syntax.
syntax array list.
Hmm.
Array list A equals to new array list.
Very good. What array list here? Is it a array
It's
list?
a
Is it a method? Is it interface? Is it a class?
interface.
Array is interface
Yes.
or class?
Class.
The list is a
There is a method. List is a interface.
hmm. Then
But-
array list is a
Array list is also interface. No, it's a method.
no.
It's a class.
It's a class, not
Yes.
interface. Okay. I want to write a program saying that to print the multiples of the multiple of 3 from 1 to 100. When I try to print the values from 1 to 100, in the 1 to 100, I need to see only multiples of 3 only.
Multiple of 3. So,
The
so
number
I,
which are divided with 3 from 1 to 100.
so I can start from for loop.
Yeah, write it out. Then what is the output? Is correct. Then what is the output? Analyze that program and tell me the output.
There is only print the value from 3 to 100.
Okay. Chalo,
Okay.
thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you,
for your
sir.
time.